Hello, friends! Every tip I'm about to share has been verified by the mechanics in the shop where I'm at, so take a deep breath. This can be fixed. Some time ago, a concerned-looking lady came into the shop saying her air conditioner wouldn't turn on. The first thing we explain is that most of the time, it's an issue with electrical power or the startup signal. In other words, the unit isn't getting power, or something inside the system is preventing it from starting. Some customers describe it like this: I press the button and nothing happens, not even a sound. And that already tells us where to start troubleshooting. At the same time, the first thing we always check is the electrical supply. We've seen cases where the breaker is tripped, the plug is loose, or the cord is damaged. One customer said, I thought the AC was broken, but it turned out the breaker was off. That's why in the shop we always say, before opening the unit, make sure electricity is actually reaching it. On the other hand, when the unit has power but still won't turn on, the problem is often with the remote control or its batteries. Some customers tell us, I press the remote and nothing happens, and when we check, we find the batteries are dead or the AC receiver isn't getting the signal. One technician explains, if the command never arrives, the unit simply won't start, even if everything else is fine. We also check the unit's settings and the thermostat. Some customers say, it's on but won't start. And often that's because the set temperature doesn't require cooling at that moment or the selected mode is wrong. It seems simple, but it happens more often than you'd think. Meanwhile, in more serious cases, we find internal component issues, like a faulty control board, capacitor, or compressor. Some customers mention, from one day to the next, it stopped turning on completely, and that usually